I can still get you wet and I can still make you laugh. You should call in to work if that ain't too much to ask. I could pour you up a drink or we could burn some. Come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So get your ass in the car, come through, come through, come through.
Hey y'all, it's Renee and welcome back to my channel. Let's get into it. So I am back home and it's 1 o'clock. They is so cute, y'all. They is super cute. Yeah, I really just wanted to show y'all my lashes. I am so fucking hungry and I'm low-key sleepy. Like the last time I got my lashes done, I fell asleep, but this time for some reason I could not go to sleep. I think it was because she had that TV on, like the baby interview or something, like, and I was just listening, so I guess I couldn't go to sleep. But one more time for the lashes. Mwah. I can't wait to get like fully cute and put on an outfit and crazy in love. High volume, high volume. Alright, so I'm finna start cooking my breakfast right now. I'm making breakfast sandwiches. Eat these. I'm gonna cook some eggs, sausages, and then you put cheese on it, put them in there, you know, let them cook. Sausages, eggs. I'm just cutting this sausage really quick. So it looks like this. Somebody so interesting. Why the fuck would you do that? Why you think I can turn it on? You know you I told you to take them off for me. Yeah, you don't listen. You miss me and I miss you. I ain't never scared to take a risk. I know I can skip. Got all of them on the bottom, and I'm on the bottom. You know I can really take a bitch out to eat, she won't dine in. That black tent right outside, no matter on the horse, until then caught it alright. Since he told me that I'll watch her close, see her back the door. Okay. That firm on your name. I had to learn this shit about $1 million. The only thing I ain't trying to strip is to do the. I respect what come with this. I do ass around. I ain't never worried about a nigga. Rich rig, get you killed the two. I'm not eating this. I eat grape jelly though. I don't like strawberry. Yeah, that's a good. Exactly, like not protecting nothing. Hey, I'm at my aunt's house. I just got here. I was rushing so bad. Let's do a little outfit of the day. I got my Hailstar shirt on. Cute. We know. Got these sweatpants on, Kasubi bag, and I got my Yeezys on. I know I did some little curls in my hair. I feel like I look so cute. OMG. I'm so ready for the game. It's only 5 o'clock, so it's about an hour and a half until the game start. Yes, I'm part of the setup crew.
Right.
Let's see.
What is this buffalo dip?
How cute. You like being a host? Great. No. Let's see the cake. Mind y'all, most of the people in here is an Eagles fan, so let's see how that goes.
Y'all, the game ready to come on. You feel what I'm saying? How you feeling about the game?
I'm feeling like
Parlays hitting. I don't even want to tell y'all how I'm feeling about the game till after the game.
and girl just be there. Like, be there. She's literally hanging on the shoulder. Like, I don't understand. Said the titties small, but one surgeon make them reappear. I look so cute. Y'all know I look cute. Don't play. It's like, I'm sick and tired of love songs. I flood out with diamonds. Like to ride in private. I'm a savage. I'm a rack, baby. Get that money, I'll be back, baby. With a wonder why I act crazy. You see that game?
Hold me back, baby.
When y'all see this vlog, let me know down in the comments. Did y'all see the other vlog? What's a bad habit y'all trying to get rid of in 2025?
Spending money.
Buying Chipotle. You need some more?
Smoking more. And yeah, she don't know.
Let's go. Come on, baby.
So yeah, Jalen Hurts got the first touchdown of the game. I want to taste me a cupcake. I don't even think, y'all, I don't really know. I probably don't post this. No, I can. It don't matter. This blue one is cute, so we will do this one. Let me see. Because the cake is cute. I can't wait to stay cut it, you know. Cake is real cute. You gotta make it like a sandwich. It tastes better that way.
I don't care. You just switched teams 4 times.
You gotta take a shot.
Years on this.
Shout on the place. Excuse me.
We don't love to hate him. There's nothing likable.
Oh,
You got me a shot.
this game is boo. Like, this game is trash. I don't understand what's going on.
Watch out. Watch it come up the middle. Wow.
It's literally been snowing all fucking day. Like, it's been snowing all day. I'm not understanding why it's been snowing so much in Virginia this year. Like, it's been snowing so much. Well, let me show y'all. See, and now it's like snowing and raining. Like, this coat is a bitch. Oh my goodness. But yeah, so it's been snowing all day, so I've really been in the house all day. I did do a retwist on my brother earlier. I ain't even record that. I did not feel like doing nothing today. I did not go to work today because of the snow. And then yeah, I did my brother hair. I cooked breakfast this morning. I did a lot today at home though. And now I'm ready to start meal prepping. So I'm gonna let y'all watch me meal prep just a little bit. I'm just gonna get this out the way. I really don't feel like it, but I'm gonna get it out the way. So yeah, let's get into it.